We arrived at a farmhouse in the outskirts of Kampala. It was full of beautiful cows and bulls, surprised yet friendly locals, and an arid yet sufficient crop of land used to feed the some 50 orphans Come Let's Dance cares for.
It's very like selfishly gratifying to know that like we're feeding kids with this. I mean, not directly, but eventually this is gonna help somebody. So it's not like a lot of times I think when I do hard work at home, it's to benefit myself or my family only. That's kind of nice, but it's kind of hard. Woo!
Sure, man. Got a nice blister coming in, so hopefully this might do a little bit. Working on the field, whole new respect today.
After a full day of hoeing in the field to make way for eggplant and carrots, we washed up with water from the local well and headed back to the farmhouse for lunch. We all kicked back and enjoyed a beef and potato stew made by the farm's permanent tenders. We even took some time to enjoy some Ugandan jackfruit and found some wildlife after a hard day's work.
Leopard-spotted Ugandan caterpillar pioneering and
It looks like he has two little pigtails on his head.
Those aren't